Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's shake the pulse of the stock market. So I am going to discuss the stock in news today again, as I promised that now I will come up with the stocks which are in news because of some reason. I will discuss the reason news, and then I will discuss its fundamental and buying level for the investment, and for sure those stocks will be fundamentally strong and investing in stocks. So to know the news and to know the fundamental and buying level, stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular weekly update of the index and stock in news, their buying level for the investment. So now I'm going to start the video with the stock name and the news regarding this stock. The stock name is VBL. Yes, Varun Beverage Limited is in news because of it is going to give the split. Detail of the split I'm going to discuss. The split is 2 is to 5. Yes, 2 is to 5, and the date, the important date is X date is 12th of September. So let me discuss in little detail so that you can understand what is going to happen and what you have to do for to become eligible for the split. First of all, if you are having VBL stock, you will get 2.5 number of share for the one share you are already holding. Means what? 2.5. You will have a question, how will I get the 2.5 shares? So what will happen, that if you are holding one number of share, you will get additional 2 number of share, and the 0.5 number of share will be converted in cash and will be credited to your and will be credited to your account. But to save yourself from these ambiguity and these process, you what you can do, if you are going to buy, you can buy this stock in multiple of even number. Like what? Like just like if you have 2 number of VBL share, you will get 5 number of additional share. If you have 4 number of VBL, you will get 10 additional share of the BBL. So now it is clear, you should buy in the multiple of even number, in the multiple of 2. And if you already means if someone is already holding some odd number of shares, so they can adjust calculation I have just discussed. According to that, you can adjust your uh, number of share for the split. So this is clear. Now the date is X date. Now you should pay attention here also. If you are buying this stock before one day, means 11th of September, 12th September is the X date, so you have to buy this stock on 11th of September or before that. So this is clear. The date you have to buy to become eligible for the VBL split is 11th or 11th September or before that. And the ratio you are getting, you have to buy the number of stock in multiple of 2 so that you can get additional share in multiple of 5. So as much as I can clear it, I have cleared. For more detail, you can go to the company site. So you can see the VBL fundamental on your screen. The VBL is around 2 lakh crore company. 2 lakh crore 2 lakh crore का around 2 lakh crore का इनका market cap है, which is actually it is a large cap company. Current price is 1500 around, but the 1500 के आसपास it is trading even today. And so what will be the price, you can calculate it. This around 600 it will trade after split. So you can calculate this according to the current trading price. Okay, so this is the current price is 1500. Current price is 1500 और इसका हाई जो था वो 1700 अराउंड था. यस, हाई इज 1700. its high is 1700. Stock P is 81.8, means around 82, which is actually very overvalued. I have to keep the information, I have to keep the fact. ROC is 28.8, which is very good, and ROE is 35.2. Debt to equity is 0.79, which is actually okayish debt to equity, and the EPS is 18.6. Operating profit margin is 23.7, and profit growth you can see it is 29%, which is also very good. Dividend yield is 0.16%, which is, according to me, it is not that good. Dividend is not that good. Price to book value is 23.1, which is also overvalued. So means one negative thing I am finding in this stock, which is it is overvalued. So I have to keep the fact. Decision is yours only. What you have to do. The introduction of the company is that company is a beverage industry, and this is associated with the Pepsi company and all. So you know the Pepsi. Everybody knows the Pepsi. Fundamental I have discussed. Now we'll go to the technical uh, chart, and you can see what is happening in the chart. I have made it for you all. I have drawn this line. This line is actually very good support for the VBL. You can see, even some days, some week before, it gave a very good fall, even from 1700, which I told this was its all time high, 1700. And from 1700 it started falling, and 1 2 3 continuously 3 week, it has fallen till here around 1400. Yes, 1412 case aspas. Actually I was expecting it should come till here, but it did not come that time. And from here it has taken a very good reversal, and again it is trading at this range, 1500 range now. This range is actually 20 week EMA, means this range is also very good support for the VBL. And breaking this, it may take it to again that old support, which is 1400, means 1500 to 1400. And अगर 1400 का भी level कहीं टूट जाता है, if it's breaking at this 1400, so 1340 या 1350 is very obvious. Yes, but if it's breaking this level जो कि बहुत ही strong है, after that, after this 1350 and 1350 and 1300, I don't think this stock is going to fall, because this stock is very strong. See how many weeks this is trading this support only. This support is 1400, and 1400 to 1350 is a very very good support, which is 50 EMA also. The first support is 20 EMA, and see the next support is exactly 1350, which is 50 EMA. So these you should actually know these levels, which I am saying, 1350 to 1400, and currently is 1500, which is actually support this is taking. But what happens after split, that we have to check, that we have to see. So keep this stock in your watch list to see all that. And if you want the split, so that what process you have to do, that I discussed earlier in starting of the video. So this level 1400 you should keep in the mind. And yes, after breaking this 1700 all time high, it is definitely going to touch 1900. It is definitely going to touch 1900 and even more than that. If you have any question regarding this stock or any other stock or any index levels, you can comment below, or you can DM me also on the Instagram and Twitter. ID is in my bio. So like and share the video also for more leads, so that people should be aware before the date, before the X date. And subscribe the channel also for regular index level and stock in news buying level. Signing off.